Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Virgos. And I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys, from the Moonology deck, and one card for your love guidance. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. So we have Knight of Sons, Postulant of Stars in reverse, and Moon in reverse. So in your circumstances, Virgos, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are in some kind of a move, maybe making a change. Maybe you are taking up a different job, moving to a different place, or maybe changing your residence, moving to a different town or a city. So some kind of a move is happening in your circumstance. Or maybe for some of you, you are moving away from this person you love. So that is causing a lot of worries or stress for yourself or for this person. And maybe if you are making some important decisions regarding some new job or maybe move towards different city or state, you must think it through, guys. Think carefully whether it is the right thing for you. Try to do things with a more clear mind. So instead of making some rash, impulsive decisions, you need to think through your choices, whatever you are making, because without clarity, without understanding what will be the outcome, if you make some impulsive choices, it's going to land you in some difficult circumstances, guys. You are just going to increase the difficulties for you. Maybe you are trying to take up a new job, maybe to see better things in your life, but it may not be the right time to do that. So you must think through these choices, Virgos. Same way in this relationship, maybe you are planning something. You have a lot of dreams for your future, fantasies about this person, fantasies about you in your future life together. But whatever it is, you must see what is your present situation, your practical circumstances. So you must go for your present circumstance, see what is needed, and go for those actions instead of just dreaming and expecting certain things. Because dreams may come or may not come, but when you make the efforts, those efforts will always bear fruit. So being present, aware of what needs to be done today in this relationship is what is going to help you, guys, because today maybe you should not feel really carried away with those dreams and fantasies, Virgos, in your relationship. So let's see what is the card for your. We have Temperance. So maybe you are maybe whatever difficulties you are seeing, things will begin to fall into place for you, guys. So if this relationship is what you need. You need to try and adapt yourself, trying to be better, trying to do the things in the right way, and trying to find that harmony and balance in your circumstances today. That is what I see for your love energies, guys. So, for your career situation, we have three of suns. So, in your work situation, maybe, guys, you are what to say, seeing good changes, positive changes for you, and you will have people working with you, helping you out, so things will go in the right way in your work circumstances, Virgos. So for your moon energies, we picked one card, guys, and it says believe in the impossible. So it just means that there is a rare opportunity coming your way. You should not lose that, guys, miss that, because it is something like once in a blue moon. And this card is a positive sign that if you are hoping for something and it may look like something too much, it may look like too much of expectation on your part, but it may come true, guys. That is what this card is about. So you should not miss that opportunity when luck is knocking you, locking your doors. You should not miss that opportunity today, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys, for your moon energy. So for your love guidance, we have this card, and it says ownership. So this just means that we will grow stronger emotionally and spiritually once we accept all our mistakes, just like we accept all our accomplishments and feel really proud of all that. When we accept the mistakes, we are just taking one step towards changing ourselves, transforming ourselves into a better person, and being really positive, and we are just empowering our words and thoughts and deeds, and that is the cornerstone for a healthy and soulful experience. So we must, what to say, truly accept what we are, guys. So we may have negative qualities, we may have positive qualities. Whatever it is, we are just like each and every other person, just like our friends, just like our family members, and we are no different when we accept what we truly are and view our experiences in an objective way. We are changing so much. We will evolve. We will have that spiritual evolution, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Virgos, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.